Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Team Power Systems. You might have noticed that sometimes when your new products arrive and they come out of the box, they have a little bit of like an oily or a greasy residue on the outside. That's actually totally normal. There's two reasons for that. Number one happens during the manufacturing process. So certain products that contain rubber or urethane or rubber mixed with like TPE or PVC, that has to be injected into a mold. And so what happens at the factory is they'll take the mold and they'll apply some type of oil or lubricant on the inside of the mold before they inject the rubber or whatever material for construction inside of it. And so then they'll take that mold, they'll set it off to the side, and they'll let whatever's inside cure or take the final shape of what it's going to be. And then once it's cured, the oil that was placed on the inside of the mold helps the product slide out of the mold a little bit easier. So it's very similar to the process of what happens when you are baking cookies and you have to grease the baking sheet so that your cookies come off nice and easy. So that's the first reason that sometimes when you get your product from Power Systems, it's a little bit greasy on the outside. The second reason actually happens when the products are being packed up to be shipped out to you. So sometimes they will apply a clear coat or a little bit of an oil on the outside of certain products, urethane especially, or maybe vinyl products, so that your product doesn't get scuffed or scratched in transit when it's on the way to you. So that way when you open up your Power Systems box, you take it out of the bag, it might be a little greasy, but it's shiny and new and ready to go out on the shelf without any scuffs or scratch marks. So if you want to put it on the shelf that way, that's great. If not, and you want to remove some of that residue, you can do it really quickly. It's a simple process. So what I have here is just two examples of products that might affect. So first one, this is our 5-pound Pro Elite pump plate. And this is our 20-pound cardio dumbbell. So there are a couple of other products that this could affect, but we're gonna start here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a lint-free cloth. Right here I have a solution of water and dish soap mixed together, and then I've just got plain water here. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your water and dish soap solution, you can spray it onto the towel, or you can spray it directly onto the surface and let that get soapy. And then you're just gonna scrub and rub through the outside, and that's going to remove any of that greasy residue around the outside. If you want to finish it up, you can take the water solution and finish up. You can spray both sides of that. So brand new out of the box, just maybe a little less shiny and a little less greasy. So for more care and cleaning tips, visit powersystems.com and download our comprehensive care and cleaning guide. Thanks for watching.